Your soul is mine. You can't run away.
Guys, forget about Grok or Veo. I found amazing AI tool that you can use to generate longer videos without paying anything. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can do it for free without paying anything. Without wasting time, let's go up to my screen. Now, from the first video you just watched, I used this to create these videos that you just saw, the sample videos. So today, this AI tool I'm going to review, I found. So I was making a research and looking around and looking for kind of AI tool to use for free. Then I smashed and came into this AI tool. Guys, I'm going to reveal this tool to you today. Now, let's hop onto my screen. Let's go to my screen and I'll show you how to use this AI tool that completely outsmart Grok or Veo. Now let's move on to my screen. All right, guys. Okay, good. Now we are on my screen right now, guys. Now let's see. Now the first thing you would do is open. Let's fire on Google Chrome. So when we fire on Google Chrome, you're going to be able to. I already opened it, so I want to show you how you can actually do it. So when you fire on Google Chrome, you're going to type Digen AI. Digen AI. You type Digen AI. So when you click on Digen AI, this is an amazing tool that is actually beyond what people are like. You will be surprised what you can do, what you can achieve with this tool. Now click on the first link, Digen AI. When you click on the first link, it's going to take you to, you're going to open the page. As you can see, we are on the space of Digen AI. So it's going to give you some prompt and ways on how to log in first. And the first thing you can do, there's a pop-up that says sign up. Remember, don't sign up yet. I want to teach you how you can do this for free. That is a bonus. So make sure to stay to the end. So now let's move on. So don't sign up with the pop-up. So what you're going to do is, like, before you log in, okay, now for the sake of this video, I'll give you the tip on how to get this continuously without paying anything, and I'll show you that at the end of the video. So for now, I'm going to open the one I already signed in, and I will teach you later on how to sign in, how to create a fresh account completely without wasting time. And after creating the fresh account, you can use it forever without paying anything. Now guys, now let's move on. As you can see on the screen, these are the videos I already created. As you can see, I created these videos yesterday using this. You can see, let's play it and see. You can see these are scenes I created. You can just forget about the logo and other things, because I will show you on how to remove the logo at the end of the video too. So now click on, look at the videos I generated yesterday, and with this free AI tool, I didn't pay anything. Now let me show you on how to generate this. Now let me show you something. Before that, the first thing you can do is to generate your picture. Let's generate our image. I want to show you how you can do this. But after that, at the end of this video, make sure you stay to the end. I will show you on how to get this for free, how to sign up properly and get it for free without paying anything. So now let's move on to, okay, now let me show you on my screen. As you can see on my screen, yesterday, there are images I already generated. The video I just showed you, these are the images I generated for it. You can see these are the image that I generated for this. So now, first of all, how did I generate this image? I generated the image by using, I used ChatGPT, which is one of the things I usually use for my image generation. So you go to ChatGPT, type in your prompt and the kind of image you want to animate, just try to get it with ChatGPT. Once you're able to get the image you want, then after getting all the images using ChatGPT, like the way I got these images right now, then we can now move on to Digen AI for the animation. So now we can actually turn that into video. By now, let's move on. How do we start? Let's start with a fresh video so that you can see. Now let me clean out the prompt I already have here. So now you can see here there are many options at the top. We have space, we have video, image, voice, Sora 2, Veo, Sedans, and AI tools. Now, because this is what we want, what you want, we have different AI models you can use right here, but this is what I want right now. Because this is what I want, I'm going to choose video because I want to animate video. So click on, you have a startup frame and the end frame. So the startup frame is the most important. Now you click on upload, After clicking on uploading, then let's click on one of the images we generated, and let's click on this image. Now let's wait for it to upload. So we're waiting for the image to upload right now, guys. This is an amazing tool. Make sure you stick to the end. I will show you how to get this for free. As you can see on my screen, I already have 210 uh like 210 coins left for this. So don't worry, even though I exhaust this 210, it will still be refilled, and I will show you the secret later. Just stay with me. So now let's continue. So guys, so while this is going on, after uploading it, now let's write our prompt. I want to generate a 480p because I want 5 seconds. That's all. You can just select different AI models from here. You can look for the best AI models you want to choose. Just get it. But for me, I want to use the first one. So now I'll just type a simple prompt. Okay, make this demon emit the red fireball and throw it. Now this is a very simple prompt. Now let's enhance the prompt by clicking on prompt enhance. So the platform is going to enhance the little prompt we wrote down into a very detailed prompt. Now you can see now what you do now is, remember that generate video, it takes only 20 of the coin to exhaust to generate a video. That means you can use the 210 to generate as many videos as you want. And remember, it doesn't stop there. Now let's continue. So you click on generate video. Now our videos will start generating. You can see it's a waiting in generation queue. Guys, this is an amazing tool that you can use to generate videos for free. Now, okay, because of our time, while we wait for that to be ready, I'm going to teach you how you can actually get this account for free without paying anything, and you can use it forever, guys. Now, while we wait for the video to generate, now let's move on. Now, once you open the platform Digen AI, the first thing is to sign up. You click on this plus button. Instead of signing up with Google, you say sign up for free. Don't sign up with already installed Google on your phone or device. Click on sign up for free. Then instead of putting your own email, let me show you. You have to generate a temporary email. Now I will take you to tempmail.com. Let's go to temp mail. Once you go to temp mail, you click on this any of the link, the one that you know that is good for you. Just click on any of the mail. Go to tempmail.com. Just get a temporary email. So now what you're going to do is, after this, you can see there is an email here already. So because a lot of people may be welcomed with this email, and I don't want you to use the same email, so you have to refresh it to get a different email. How do you do that? You have to refresh here. It's going to update the email and give you another email. Now we have a different email right now. So you copy the email, then return back to the page. Once you get there, put your email like this, then send code. Let's wait for it to be done. Send code. So a verification code has been sent. So we now come to this place, and after coming to this place, the next thing is to get the code. Now we are waiting for the code. Okay, now we got the code. Guys, here is a code. Very simple. So after getting the code, just click on this, copy the code, go back to the place, and then paste. Good. Once we paste it, we now continue with email. According to, I think there is an error. Okay, I think we didn't copy the code well. Yes, I missed something out of the code. It's a 6-digit, but I copied 5-digit instead. So you come back here, paste it, then continue with email. Guys, this is as simple as Kuli Kuli and Gary. This is very good. Guys, once we can now set up our password. You can say, let's see the password. Okay. Okay, I'm setting up my password. So I can now set up my password, or you can just log in, and that you can just sign in instead after setting up your password. So just a sec. Okay, just a sec. Okay, now password, we can now put um okay guys, just a sec. All right, okay, we're gonna reset our password. Guys, this is how this can be done. And once we are done with that, wow, guys, now we have our screen. Guys, look at the screen. Look at this place. We have 180 coin. Now, this is not just it. This is for you to use today. Tomorrow, when you log in today, is increasing. Log in next tomorrow is increasing. As you continue to use this, it keeps on increasing for you. And at the point when you are tired with the email, go and when you're tired with the account or this, go and generate another fresh email, temporary email, and use it. That is how to get it, guys. So this is an amazing tool that we use, that I used a lot, several times. This is an amazing tool I used a lot several times, and I believe that it's going to help you too. This is completely free, guys. You don't need to pay anything. Guys, thank you. So this is how you can use this tool. Use this tool anytime you want, every time, for free, completely free. Yes, you don't need to pay anything, just keep doing this. All right, if this video actually blesses you, or if you learned something new from this video, please do well to subscribe to our channel and subscribe to like nice tech hub, as I will be bringing up latest things on AI technology and that for you every day. See you again, guys.